Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to play games on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what we actually have in front of us here. So, in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, right now, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have the stories where you can check out stories with your friends. And then we have the camera, and in the bottom left corner, your location and your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and play games on Snapchat. So first of all, to play games on Snapchat, you can follow these 6 steps that I'll be showing you now. First of all, open Snapchat. And after you have opened Snapchat, swipe right to access the chat screen. After you swipe right and access the chat screen, tap on a chat or a group chat. After that, tap the rocket icon to browse available Snap games. And when you have browsed the games, choose a game to start playing. Then you just need to go and invite your friends to join you in the game if you of course want to play some multiplayer games with your friends of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.